Isang magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, May 20, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, May 20, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas ng para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 20, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas ng para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, May 20, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for May 20, 2026 Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, May 20, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.